Look around. Every major event, from the Mahakumbh to political rallies, brings millions together. It's a powerful spectacle, but in the crowd, a single moment of confusion can turn into a crisis. How do you find a lost child in a sea of faces? How do you prevent a stampede before even it begins? Today, with ineffective crowd management, outdated communication, and a lack of real time data, the answer is you can't. The result is chaos, delayed responses, and a constant risk to safety. This is why our team, Shashak, created Dhruv AI. We have built an AI-powered integrated platform to bring true safety, security, and surveillance to large-scale events. It's a unified system that connects every stakeholder and streamlines every process. Let's see how our app works. Simply log into the app, then it will take you to the dashboard. Here on the map, you can see important services like help desk, hospitals, and toilets. Then, if a person is lost, you can file a report. Simply take a photo and fill all the details and submit the form. In the report section, you will see your submitted files. Then, in the alert section, you get alerts for the emergency services. The app was mainly for the volunteers and the pilgrim who come to the Mahakumbh. Now let's see the web application where all the backend runs and important tasks are done. Now let's talk about the web platform. The platform is designed with a rule-based structure, giving admins, coordinators, and volunteers dedicated dashboards with specific functionalities, from managing users and setting policies to monitoring the real-time health of the system and analyzing crowd behavior. Through detailed analytics, Dhruv AI provides a comprehensive control center for any event. Different users, like the super admins, and the volunteers, have different features in this platform. They can see the camera feed from the CCTV, look for the lost and found reports, see the login users on the platform, and other various features. This is the overview of the platform. So guys, this was Dhruv AI. With Dhruv AI, we are moving from reactive manual response to proactive data-driven solutions. Our platform offers proactive safety, streamlined efficiency, and an enhanced experience for everyone. This isn't just a hackathon project, it's a blueprint for the future of smart city and disaster management. We are Team Sashak, and with Dhruv AI, we are building a safer tomorrow today. Thank you everyone.